Hello, my name is Ismael Campos, and this time I will go to show you how to prepare a variety show. For start, I would like to start with cooking section with a main dish, appetizer, and dessert. For appetizer we have sweet salad. This is ingredients for 6 persons. The first that we go to use is 1500 grams of apples, 4 slices of pineapple syrup, chopped, 3 tablespoons chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of raisins, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 can of condensed milk. It's easy to prepare. You have to cut everything and mix the ingredients to serve fresh. For main dish, rice with grilled breast is 1 cup of white rice, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. But this is for rice. But everybody knows how to prepare the rice, so I would like to show you how to prepare the grilled breast. First, we have to turn on the grill to roast the chicken breast. You need to prepare a medium high and temperature fire. Divide into 2 areas. Add chicken breast, rub the chicken and the barbecue sauce or the glaze. Check if the chicken is ready and let's start to serve. This is not too much job. You have to take care because you can burn the breast and nothing else. It's easy as you see. The pudding is for dessert. The ingredient is 2 or 3 cups of whole of milk, 1 is 2 cups of whole 2 cup whole of milk, is 1 cup and a little more of sugar, a little teaspoon of salt, vanilla if you want, 2 eggs yolk, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, vanilla in pot. To prepare this model take more time because we have to mix the powdered milk, cornstarch, sugar and salt in a bowl. You can use a fork to beat the ingredients or a blender to mix them. Mix the ingredients until the mixture is uniform. If you are in the pot, be sure to remove any crumbs with the back of the spoon. Use a little cup, around 95 grams of mixture and 2 cups of milk. Cook over high heat and saucepan and stir the mixture constantly. When it's the boil, lower the temperature until the mixture simmers. Keep mixing and preparing the mixture for 3 or 5 minutes or until it's thickened. Pour into a bowl and let it cool for 5 minutes. When it's ready, you can serve when it's cold. In my new section, I would like to talk about North Korea and South Korea, where Kim summit with Trump the nuclearization South Korea. You can see what is happening in this part of the world with this guy. The next news said South Korean President Moon Jae-in said Sunday that North Korean leader Kim Jong-un committed in their surprise meeting to sitting down with President Donald Trump and to complete the denuclearization of Korea Peninsula. The Korean leaders' second summit in a month saw bare hook and broad smile, but the quickly arranged meeting Saturday appeared to highlight a sense of urgency on both sides of the world most heavily armed border. At the White House, Trump said negotiations over potential June to summit with Kim that he had earlier cancelled were going along very well. Trump told reporters that they are still considering Singapore as venue for talk. He said there is a lot of goodwill and that the denuclearization of Korean Peninsula would be a great thing. My second news is White House want to briefing a Coast Guard into Giuliani. Rudy Giuliani, one of Trump's attorneys, told the Associated Press on Friday that the White House hopes to get a readout of the information next week, particularly about the use of a longtime government informant who approached a member of Trump's campaign in a possible bid to link misconduct in political bias, and has denounced that it as a spy. And as you can see, Trump is everywhere, so I would like to talk about this guy that for me is a bad guy. Kanye West Chicago charity distanced itself from him in wake of Trump comments. The organization was co-founded in 2011 by West former Chicago Public School teacher Donna Smith and rapper Ryan Fest, whose real name is Chi Smith. It was named in honor of West's mother and former Chicago State University Professor Donna West, aiming to support aspirant young music in the city. The foundation is now asking the public to refrain from associating Donna's house with the action and statement of namesake song. We ask that as you boycott or protest Kanye West, that you not forget that we are a non-profit organization that, like other non-profits, need donation, corporate support, and volunteers. The statement said, we don't want your rejection of Kanye West to the rejection of Donna West or the thousands of lives she impacts, including her own son.